Mark Verloosrecht and I work at Delft University as a professor in environmental biotechnology. I will mainly discuss the ways to get resource recovery from wastewater treatment plants as a mode to, partly improve the wastewater treatment plants, but also potentially to make them not only a resource recovery facility, but hopefully on the long run also an economic viable way to handle wastewater. And that has a big advantage that if wastewater treatment becomes an economic viable activity, the implementation of wastewater treatment plant in a lot of places where it's difficult to have long-term financing and tax revenues to balance that, to improve that implementation of wastewater also in these areas. It's good to try to convince people, to show people what is possible with resource recovery. I think there is an economic way for resource recovery. It's not by definition that it's circular and you have to pay for it. You only have to be creative and curious a bit about what's all possible, and by that you can also develop new processes, and I hope it can inspire some people here to also search novel ways for recovery of resources.